The art of effective networking is a skillful approach to building and maintaining professional relationships that can lead to valuable opportunities, career growth, and personal development. Networking is a vital aspect of both personal and professional life, as it allows individuals to connect with like-minded individuals, expand their knowledge, exchange ideas, and create potential collaborations. Below are some tips and tricks to help you master the art of effective networking. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve through networking. Whether it's finding a new job, gaining industry insights, or expanding your business, having clear objectives will guide your networking efforts. Identify target events and groups. Identifying target events and groups is a crucial step in effective networking. Here are some strategies to help you find events and groups that align with your goals and interests. Research online. Use search engines, social media platforms, and event websites to find conferences, seminars, and meetups related to your industry or field of interest. Look for events with agendas that match your professional aspirations. Industry publications. Check industry-specific magazines, journals, and websites for advertisements and announcements of upcoming events. Many of these publications have event calendars that can be a valuable resource. LinkedIn and social media. Follow relevant hashtags, industry influencers, and organizations on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. These platforms often share information about upcoming events and conferences. Ask for recommendations. Reach out to colleagues, mentors, or members of your current network to ask for recommendations on events and groups they have found valuable. Personal recommendations can lead you to hidden gems. Attend local meetups. Look for local meetups or networking events in your city or region. These gatherings can provide a more intimate setting for networking and building connections with professionals in your area. Join professional associations. Investigate professional associations and organizations related to your industry. These groups frequently organize events and conferences tailored to the interests of their members. Check university and college calendars. If you're a student or an alumnus of an educational institution, check their event calendars. Many universities and colleges host conferences and seminars that are open to the public. Explore online events. With the rise of virtual events, you can participate in conferences and webinars from anywhere in the world. Look for online events that match your interests and fit your schedule. Consider non-industry events. Sometimes, attending events outside your immediate industry can offer unique networking opportunities. For example, entrepreneurship conferences might be beneficial for professionals in various fields. Local Chamber of Commerce. Check with your local Chamber of Commerce for networking events and business-related gatherings in your area. These chambers often host networking opportunities for local businesses. Eventbrite and Meetup. Websites like Eventbrite and Meetup are great platforms to find events and groups based on your location and interests. You can filter events by category to discover relevant gatherings. Check with companies and organizations. Keep an eye on the events organized by companies and organizations you admire or are interested in. They might hold webinars, workshops, or networking events open to the public. Be approachable and authentic. Approach networking with a genuine and open mindset. Be friendly, approachable, and show a sincere interest in getting to know others. Authenticity builds trust and makes meaningful connections more likely. Listen actively. Networking isn't just about talking, it's equally important to be a good listener. Pay attention to what others are saying and show interest in their experiences and perspectives. Have a concise elevator pitch. Prepare a short, impactful introduction about yourself and your professional background. Your elevator pitch should be concise, engaging, and memorable. Exchange value. Networking should be a two-way street. Offer assistance, insights, or resources to others before seeking favors in return. People are more likely to help those who have helped them in the past. Follow up. After a networking event, follow up with the people you've connected with. Send a personalized thank you message or email to express your gratitude and reinforce the connection. Utilize social media. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn to expand your network and connect with professionals in your industry. Engage in online discussions and share valuable content to demonstrate your expertise. Build and maintain relationships. Networking is not a one-time activity. Nurture your connections over time by staying in touch, offering support, and celebrating their successes. Be respectful of time. During networking events or meetings, be mindful of the other person's time. Don't monopolize the conversation, and be aware if they seem busy or disinterested. Diversify your network. Connect with individuals from diverse backgrounds, industries, and levels of experience. A diverse network can provide fresh perspectives and open doors to unexpected opportunities. Attend workshops and seminars, participate in workshops, seminars, and webinars related to your field. These events provide valuable learning opportunities and allow you to network with both experts and peers. Join online communities, engage in online forums, industry-specific groups, and professional networks. These platforms provide a virtual space to connect with professionals globally. Be patient and persistent. Building a strong network takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if results don't come immediately. Stay persistent and keep refining your approach. Leverage referrals. Personal referrals can be incredibly powerful in networking. If you have a mutual connection with someone you want to meet, ask your existing contact to introduce you. Referrals can often break the ice and establish immediate trust. Attend industry events and conferences. Industry-specific events and conferences are great places to meet people who share your professional interests. These gatherings offer a focused environment where you can engage with experts, thought leaders, and potential collaborators. Be memorable. Find unique ways to stand out in the minds of those you meet. Share insightful stories, provide valuable insights, or offer help in a way that leaves a positive and lasting impression. Practice empathy. Understand the challenges and goals of the people you're networking with. By empathizing with their needs, you can better tailor your approach and offer relevant support. Networking online. Online networking is becoming increasingly important in the digital age. Engage with others on professional platforms like LinkedIn, join industry-specific forums, and participate in virtual events to expand your network globally. Host your own networking events. Consider hosting small gatherings or meetups related to your field of interest. Being the host allows you to connect with multiple individuals and demonstrate your leadership and organizational skills. Follow industry trends. Stay informed about the latest developments and trends in your industry. Being well informed enables you to contribute meaningfully to conversations and positions you as an expert in your field. Join professional associations. Look for professional associations related to your career or interests and become a member. These associations often organize events, webinars, and networking opportunities exclusively for members. Offer help first. Be proactive in assisting others without expecting anything in return. Offering your expertise, advice, or resources creates a sense of reciprocity, and people are more likely to help you when needed. Maintain an updated online presence. Keep your online profiles, especially LinkedIn, up to date. Your profile is often the first thing people see, so make sure it highlights your skills, accomplishments, and goals. Practicing networking etiquette is essential for making a positive and lasting impression on the people you interact with. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Respect boundaries. Everyone has different comfort levels when it comes to networking. If someone is not interested in connecting or engaging in conversation, respect their decision and do not push further. Networking should be a voluntary and comfortable experience for all parties involved. Introduce yourself clearly. When reaching out to someone, introduce yourself clearly and concisely. State your name, your current role or interests, and the reason for getting in touch. A well-crafted introduction helps establish context and shows that you value the recipient's time. Personalize your messages. Avoid using generic, copy-paste messages when connecting with others on social media or via email. Take the time to research the person you're reaching out to and customize your message accordingly. Mention a common interest, recent accomplishment, or any other relevant detail to show that you've done your homework. Be mindful of their time. When requesting a meeting or a call, be considerate of the other person's schedule. Clearly state the purpose of the meeting and suggest a few possible time slots, allowing them to choose what works best for them. If they decline or don't respond, be understanding and gracious. Express gratitude. When someone agrees to connect with you or provides assistance, remember to express gratitude. A simple thank you message goes a long way in showing appreciation for their time and effort. Follow up promptly. If you promise to follow up with additional information or resources, do so promptly. Keeping your word demonstrates reliability and professionalism. Be professional. Maintain a professional tone and language in your communications. Avoid using informal language, abbreviations, or emojis unless it is appropriate within the context of your relationship with the person. Keep the conversation balanced. In face-to-face or virtual meetings, strive to create a balanced conversation. Listen actively and allow the other person to share their thoughts and experiences. Avoid dominating the conversation or making it solely about yourself. Avoid pushing agendas. Networking is about building relationships, not solely about achieving personal goals. Avoid being overly pushy about your own interests or objectives. Focus on establishing rapport and understanding the other person's needs and aspirations. Be patient and persistent. Networking takes time, and not every connection will lead to immediate opportunities. Be patient, and don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. Continue nurturing relationships and maintaining contact with your network over time. Be adaptable. Different networking situations may call for different approaches. Adapt your communication style to suit the environment and the people you're interacting with. Join mastermind groups. Mastermind groups are small gatherings of professionals who meet regularly to share insights, set goals, and hold each other accountable. Being part of such a group can lead to powerful networking connections. Seek mentorship. Find mentors or advisors who can guide you in your career journey. A mentor's experience and network can open doors and offer invaluable advice. Remember, networking is not just about collecting business cards or connecting on social media, it's about building genuine relationships that add value to both parties involved. Be patient, consistent, and open-minded in your networking efforts, and over time, you'll see the benefits of a well-cultivated professional network.